Good morning, students. Welcome in science class, chapter 11, Force and Energy. What is force? That we had discussed. Types of force: muscular, gravitational, frictional, elastic, mechanical, buoyant. All we had discussed in the previous videos. Next topic: what are the simple machines? Tools which makes our work easier and faster are called simple machines. In that, levers, inclined plane, wheel and pulley, wheel and axle, pulley, screw, all this we had discussed. And figure 11.6, 11.7 also with the discussion we had seen also. Now today's our topic will be energy. Many a times you hear the word energy in your day-to-day life, and you need this energy to do lots of work, and you get this energy from milk, vegetables and fruits to grow strong and to have energy. So from this, energy is the ability to do work. Again, define energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Energy is found everywhere in nature. Sunlight, wind, water, plants and animals. At each and every place you will find energy. We use energy every day for doing the different kinds of work. So there are different forms of energy which we are using in our day-to-day life, like mechanical energy, solar energy, geothermal energy, wind energy, hydropower energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electrical energy. We will see all this energy one by one in detail. Look in your textbook, page 103, and next video, page number 104. Today we are covering mechanical, solar, geothermal and wind energy. First, mechanical energy. Energy which is possessed by an object due to its motion. If the object is in the motion or if it's in the position, then mechanical energy is there. Mechanical energy can either be kinetic energy, means in the form of motion. Always if the object is in the form of the motion, then it possesses the kinetic energy, and if it is in the due to its position, then potential energy. Again I am repeating, mechanical energy is the energy which is possessed by an object due to its motion or due to its position. It can be either kinetic energy or potential energy. Kinetic energy means body is in motion, energy of the motion, and the potential energy means stored energy of the position. Take the example of the moving car. Here I will show you the picture of this moving car. In your textbook also on page number 104, that same figure it is given. A running car possesses kinetic energy. So, take the example of the moving car. A moving car possesses mechanical energy due to its motion, because it is running, it is in the motion. So, which type of the energy it is possessed by the moving car? Kinetic energy. Take another example, a drone bow. Bow and arrow you had seen. A drone bow possesses the mechanical energy due to its stretched position. Elastic potential energy, it is in the position, stretched position. So which type of the energy is possessed by the drone bow? It is the potential energy. Next, solar energy. Solar energy is the most readily available. Readily means whenever you want, you will get it. So it is the most readily available source of energy. And it is very cheap also. And it is considered to be the most important source of energy because it is non-polluting. If you use the solar energy, it is non-polluting, it won't pollute your environment. Nowadays, people are using in each and every field, most of they are converting themselves towards the solar energy. You might have seen that on so many houses, on their rooftops, this type of the solar panels you might have seen. I don't know whether you had seen or not. And on this panels of the solar energy, their whole house electricity is working on that solar energy only. They are running their all that bulbs, tube lights, fans, AC, refrigerator, TV, everything, all the electrical gadgets are working on the solar energy only. So it is the most, nowadays it is considered as the most important source of energy because it is non-polluting, easily available, and also very cheap. Example, suppose if we hang our clothes outside under the sun, it dries up after 1 year 2 hours. So we use the energy of the sun. Solar energy we get from the sun only. Yes, you know. So from where do we get the solar energy? From the sun. So when we hang our clothes to dry in the sun, we use the solar energy or the sun's energy. Similarly, solar panels, they absorb the energy of the sun to provide heat for cooking also. Not only for heat for cooking, for so many other activities also. This solar energy absorbed by the solar panels, and it is used for different purposes also, not only for cooking purpose only. So many different nowadays. On that solar battery, so many other big industries are also working on so many solar energy. Yes. Next, third one, that is the geothermal energy. The word geothermal comes from the Greek word. It is a Greek word. Geothermal is a Greek word. Geo means earth and therm means heat. Again, geothermal energy. In this, geothermal is a Greek word. Geo means earth and therm means heat. So geothermal energy is a heat from within the earth, from inside the earth, within the earth, that energy is stored. We can use the steam and the hot water produced inside the earth. Inside the earth, water is present, and that steam and hot water is used to heat the buildings or to generate the electricity. So geothermal energy is a renewable energy source. Renewable means you can reuse it again and again. It is not like that way. Once you had used, so it will get finished. No, it is not at all like that way. It is renewable. Because why? The water is replenished by the rainfall. Whatever water is heated up, and all that heat is used to generate the electricity within the earth. Then whatever, when rainfall will be there, that rainwater will go inside the earth crust. Again that water is heated, and again you can use that geothermal energy for the different purposes, and the heat is continuously produced inside the earth. So because of this, it is the renewable source of energy also. Again, last point, geothermal energy is a renewable energy source because the water is replenished by rainfall and the heat is continuously produced inside the earth crust. Next, wind energy. From the word itself, you know that it is produced with the help of wind. Energy which is produced by wind is called wind energy. Wind energy is plentiful. Plentiful means abundant. You can't imagine also. Whenever you want, you will get it. Renewable. Again, renewable means it is not exhaust. It won't get finished. It won't get over. Whenever you want, you will get it. Widely distributed. You can distribute it on a widespread area. Moreover, it is clean and non-polluting also. Therefore, it is considered by an experts to be more environment friendly than many other energy sources. Again, wind energy is considered, why wind energy is considered more environment friendly? Then your answer will be because wind energy is plentiful, renewable, widely distributed, clean and non-polluting, and also cheap also. So it is considered to be more environment friendly than many other energy sources. Wind power is the conversion of wind energy into a useful form. You might have seen this type of the windmills at so many places. If you are going from one place, suppose the best example, if you had visited to Dwarka from Rajkot, that on the way from Rajkot to Dwarka, so many big wind farms are coming. These are known as the wind farms. So this type of the wind power is converted, wind energy is converted into another useful form such as the electricity to using the wind turbines. On the wind turbines, electricity is produced, and this electricity is used for different purposes. So wind, in your textbook also the same figure it is given, figure 11.12. see the fourth figure. Wind energy is clean and non-polluting. Again, last point I am discussing that wind power is the conversion of wind energy into a useful form. Wind energy is converted into useful form such as electricity, and this electricity is used for to run the different objects. So students, different forms energy we had started. In that we had discussed mechanical, solar, geothermal and wind energy. 4 types of energy today we had discussed. In next video we will take hydropower, means water energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electrical energy and the law of conservation of energy. This we will cover in next video, and tick the correct answer and fill in the blanks in the prep work. I will give you tick mark, MCQ and the fill in the blanks in the textbook itself. No need to write in your class workbook. Thank you students and have a nice day.